Kurumirira tharikira ya itoi barabara-ini ya Aror guthie Mogil kaunti-ini Elgeyo Marakwet. Ndereba umwe wa mbathi wa thukuru ya secondary ya Tot niakuire hau guku na arutwo 13 na arutani eeri kugurario uru tharikira-ini ino iria irahanikire utuku wa gukio muthi. Kurerikana arutwo aya hamwe na arutani maraumaga thabari ya githomo mari muthabara-ini wa mbathi ithatu kuma thukuru-ini wa Tot, Kerio Valley na Mogil kuria maratharikirwo ni itoi iria irethaite na micinga 4:30 cia utuku hakuhi na thukuru wa muthingi wa Chesuman gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Marakwet ya ithuriro kaunti-ini ya Elgeyo Marakwet kuria ndereba wa mbathi iria iratongoretie muthabara uyu ararathirwo na gukua hau.
I'm fatherless. My father aliuawa na Pokot, so I'm fatherless. Nasikia uchungu sana. Tukipiga kura kila siku na watu wetu wanawawa. Kwa sababu wanafunzi wako na ng'ombe. Kama wakitaka waende vita na wanaume, wawachane na watoto.
Mashule mengi nakosa walimu sababu ya insecurity along the valley.
Agikira ndeto ino mukonde county commander wa county ino John Korir ni ugite arutwo 13 hamwe na arutani eeri maratigirwo na nguraro njuru cia rithathi kuria marathie na mbere na kwamukira urigitani thibitari-ini wa Kapsowar thutha wa aikari mwena uyu kumahanyukia thibitari-ini uyu.
One has already undergone one theater session. The second patient is due for an operation for the removal of the bullet in the pelvis this morning by our surgical team. And the third patient had the soft tissue injuries and the wounds sutured. That these students are emotionally disturbed, they are having trauma, and that's why I've said that they need to be cancelled because all the time I interacted with them.
Kurumirira tharikire no minister wa ugitiri wa thiini DR.FRED Matiang'i ni arutite watho wa guikio ngono kwa murutani munene wa thukuru uyu akiuga ni agararite watho wa mbathi cia thukuru gukorwo thabari-ini cia utuku kwambiriria mathaa-ini maria mekirirwo mukana ma thinacara na nuthu cia hwaini. Ndeto iria inyititwo mbaru ni minister wa githomo Professor George Magoha.
And I agree with the Inspector General who will arrest that principal and he has to be prosecuted for violating public policy.
If a bus is out beyond 6:30, it should go to the nearest police station and it should stay there. We have to protect the lives of our children.
Matiang'i ninge ni ugite kiumia giukite gikundi kia njamba cia ita ruriri-ini rwa Pokot ni gikanirirwo gukorwo ari gikundi gikirire mukana guku nake senator wa county no Kipchumba Murkomen akiuga tharikire no itafanitio ni ekinae kuma nduriri itiganite no ti itoria kurerikana agikararia gukorwo na gikundi kia njamba cia ruriri rwa Pokot mwena uyu.
To seek authorization of the council to declare the Pokot warriors and the Pokot movement they are an outlawed organization, and we will categorize them the same way we categorize MRC and the terror groups that we have in the country.
I've never had an existence of a particular criminal enterprise that is organized with leadership in the manner in which the CS is saying. And if it is there, then they must be able to arrest the gangs, the head of those criminal enterprises.
Kuhana guo ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini ni rumite kini gutigirira aria makuruhanitio na tharikire no ni aikio ngono thutha wa uthuthuria wa kinyi gutafanio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.